out from my window. Sun's coming up like the day before.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video, I am bringing you guys a home project type video. So we have lots to get done today throughout the house. So I have several projects that I want to get done, and I thought I will take you guys along to give you some motivation to tackle some things today. So let's go ahead and do it together. So we are currently putting together the dining room table. So if you have seen my previous videos, you know that I have been long waiting this dining room table. So I ordered one a couple weeks ago, and I just didn't like the way the formation was. It was like a table that went from a square to a rectangle, and I don't know, I just wasn't too happy with how it was built. So I ordered that new dining room table that we just put together, and I'm absolutely in love with it. So I purchased it on Amazon, and it was very affordable, and I purchased the dining room chairs on Amazon as well. So I can definitely add 2 more seats if I wanted to, but for now I'm just going to keep it as a 4-seater. And so the next project we're doing is I ordered this so famous olive tree off of Amazon. I have seen so many people on TikTok purchase this, along with a ton of people on YouTube. So I just wanted to purchase it myself to get the full experience, because the main thing about this olive tree is the fact that it looks so real. And I would have to agree, like, from a distance you would think that this tree is actually real. So I'm gonna go ahead and pot this. I purchased this pot from Lowe's, and then I also purchased like some natural moss as well. So just to make it look more realistic and to come together, I wanted to do that. And then I'm going to place it in the corner right beside the couch. So I am in the works of looking for a sectional. So once we get the sectional, it'll definitely come together in this corner, but I love the way this turned out as well.
I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on, all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
So the next project we're going to work on is this snake plant. So I've been having this snake plant just honestly sit in my guest/office space since we moved in, and I don't know, I just want to repurpose it and make it just look a little bit more elegant. So I purchased a pot from Lowe's hardware, and we're going to repot this snake plant, and it's actually going to be the centerpiece for my dining room table. So I purchased like I said, I purchased a pot from Lowe's, and then also I purchased some green natural moss from Lowe's as well, just to bring it all together. And I absolutely love the way this turned out. So I'm excited to show you guys.
My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you.
So the next thing I wanted to do was paint some areas within the house. However, the kitchen was a hot mess, so I wanted to go ahead and tidy this space up. And that's one recommendation I do have. If you have projects that you are doing throughout the house, one thing that will help tremendously is that after you finish a project, make sure to clean up that space before you go on to the next project. But then also just making sure your space is tidy before you start working on that project in that area. It honestly makes projects so much easier, along with actually wanting to do them, but that would definitely be some of my recommendations when tackling things within the house.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought.
So if you are renting your home or living in like a rental apartment, I would definitely recommend asking them for wall paint. So all I did was purchase the paint bucket from Amazon, an empty paint bucket from Amazon, and then I just asked like our landlord, honestly our maintenance guy, to provide me with the same color paint that the walls are. And this just allows me to touch up paint fairly often, because for some odd reason they decided to use matte paint. And matte paint is so hard to keep clean. And for some reason, even if you like use like Dawn soap or, you know, try to scrub with a magic eraser, it just still doesn't come off the way it should. So I just asked for paint, and so that way I can just touch up all the areas. It's mainly like from Eleni touching the walls or like kicking the walls, and then Hershey, our Chorky, he'll like put his paws on the walls as well, so it just looks oily and greasy in a whole bunch of different spots. So that is one recommendation I have, just to keep your apartment or your rental space, you know, just clean and crisp. Definitely ask for some paint. Most of them will agree to give it to you if you just I definitely loved how everything turned out in regards to painting a couple of these spaces.
Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me.
Also, I want to mention, I know in my previous video, I think I included like cleaning the pantry along with the fridge in regards to this home projects video. However, this video would have been way too long to include those two things. So I want to say that the next video will be a fridge organization video, and then also I uploaded a pantry restock and organization video on TikTok, so definitely go follow me there. I'll put my TikTok down below if you want to see that. So the next project we're going to work on is the front door, and honestly, with kids in and out of here in the evenings, it just gets really dirty. So I just wanted to wipe it down, and then I'm also going to there was some chalk on the sidewalk as soon as you walk out of our house, so I wanted to go ahead and clean that up as well. So I'm just going to throw some warm water on there, and then we're going to sweep that area and just clean it up. And then I also purchased a reef from Target, so we're going to add that, and I just felt like it added a little bit of pop, especially for the spring and summer months.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know.
If you are enjoying this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of my YouTube community here. If you are needing motivation on cleaning, organizing, decluttering, laundry motivation, home projects, anything to inspire you to get something done, you'll definitely love it here, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube community here. And I also want to mention, if you want to see more home project videos like this, definitely give this video a like. It'll let me know to post more videos like this, because I do stay more on the cleaning and the laundry motivation just because that is what the YouTube algorithm pushes out for me. But if you guys like this type of video, definitely like it, and it'll just let me know that I can post more videos like this.
The next morning when the sun goes up, it might be.
I hope you guys enjoyed this home projects video. I hope it inspired you to tackle something today. I know when we first moved into an apartment from living in a house, it was always hard to realize that you can do small DIYs just to make your apartment more cozy or more like a home. So don't feel like you can't do things that you would normally do like if you owned a house. I hope this video inspired you to get something done today, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.